Hello, I am Mihir Sheth, and this is my internal assessment one for honors in data analytics. My topic is social media analytics, and I cover the advances in social media. The link for my research paper and the authors have been mentioned here. So, I'll give a basic abstract of the project. Social media comprises communication websites that facilitate relationship forming between users from diverse backgrounds, resulting in a rich social structure. User-generated content encourages inquiry and decision-making. Given the relevance of social media to various stakeholders, it has received significant attention from researchers of various fields, including information systems. There exists no comprehensive review that integrates and synthesizes the findings of literature on social media. Social media analytics aims to make the process of analysis and synthesis of social media data to produce information that can be used by those in need. SMA process is done in three stages, namely capture, understand, and present. This research is exploratorily focused on understanding the technology that became the basis of social media using various techniques that exist and is already used in the study of social media analytic previously. Development of technology and information which very fast are allowed society to have communication directly face to face, and it has also come into online communication such as the using of online media. By using the online modes of communication, society is able to communicate even when they have been separated by a mile or more than that. Actually, these phenomena tend to be called as the using of social media, in which it is known as online media, that connect the users throughout the entire world with the development of population too. The process of SMA has been done by retrieving, storing, processing, and visualizing data by utilizing various clustering and classification algorithms, such as the community detection algorithm that is used to detect communities on social media. Actually, the process is taken as a method to make social media to be one of the research media, which is possible to analyze data, and it is used as a source of the data in the conducting of the research. To use data of social media in supporting research activities which relate to perception of society and social behavior are dealing with tools and framework that develop in specific ways to collect, evaluate, analyze, conclude, and visualize the data. The problem which needed to respond through this research is the tools and framework, such as what are the things which need support and research activities on social phenomena which have data on social media. So this is the literature review of social media. The literature search for this analysis was conducted in the following two phases: keyword-based search and analysis to explore the overall evolution of social media literature, and manual search across specific journals to understand the emerging perspectives on this topic. The keyword based search and analysis consisted of gaining a deeper understanding of social media. I analyzed relevant abstracts that were downloaded from the Web of Science database. The search terms footnote 1 yielded a total of 13,177 records, out of which 12,597 unique abstracts were obtained. In the manual search and analysis, given the inconsistencies in the use of keywords in social media research, a manual search rather than a keyword based one was deemed to be more appropriate for identifying the existing literature on social media. The capture and the process of SMA tends to process in collecting data of social media, which relevant towards needs by using crawler tools that have been connected to the application program interface of social medias such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, Google+, Tumblr, Foursquare, internet forums, blogs and microblogs, wikis, news sites, picture sharing sites, podcasts, and social bookmarking sites. The data which has been produced by the capture process will be saved into the database, and it is provided to the further processes. After finishing the capture process, the next is understand the process. Actually, the understand process at SMA is a process to choose the data which is relevant to be applied to the data modeling. Break of noise, which includes other data, selecting the data with high quality, and making a process to analyze the data in which it takes to have the best information. The last step in the process of SMA is present. Initially, present is a process to show or visually inform which gets from the step of understand. In this case, there are many kinds of visualization that can be used to show the information from the analysis process. Relevant articles were then identified and downloaded from each of the target journals by going through their archives. Specifically, all volumes and issues published in these journals between 1997 and 2017 were considered in our analysis. Articles, research notes, introductions, research commentaries, and editorial overviews relevant to social media were downloaded and numbered to prepare an APA style reference list. The first literature search resulted in 181 articles that had some relevance to the social media domain. Author co-citation analysis is a bibliometric technique that has been widely used to explicate the conceptual structure of disciplines. The underlying assumption in ACA is that authors who are frequently cited together tend to work on similar concepts. VOS Viewer was used to analyze terms in the titles and abstracts of the corpus to obtain a two-dimensional map showing proximities of words that are likely to be related based on their co-occurrences. The intuition is that frequently co-occurring noun phrases with high relevance are likely to unravel a topic or theme that is latent in the corpus. To look at the data which produces information on the easy way, it should be visualized into a bubble graph form and the others based on needs. Like previous aims of the research, the result of this finding is to make crawling data by using Application Programming Interface, also popularly known as API. Based on the data, it will be processed to be information in which it can be used as the object of the research. And these are the conclusions that I drew. User generated content allows collective understanding, which is a massive machine human knowledge processing function capable of managing chaotic volumes of information. Some key conclusions relevant to researchers have been identified here. Social media technologies are no longer perceived as just platforms for socialization and congregation, but are being acknowledged for their ability to encourage aggregation. In reviewing the 132 publications on social media and social networking, it was observed that most studies used social exchange theory, network theory, and organization theory to support their studies. Facebook and other online communities like Twitter are the three most popular networks targeted by publications in the field of social media research. So, this was my time. Thank you for listening. Hope you have a good day.